Morning guys, it's Ruel here. Breakfast just arrived, so good timing. I'm here at the W Sydney and welcome to Pillow Talk. Coffee order, I would go cappuccino, just straight and easy. I think there's nothing else I need. Regular milk. I'm like quite new to coffee, so I'm still, making my way up to like a long black. I know that's what the cool kids order. Oh, that's lovely. That's delicious. Oh, I think Sydney by day. I think that's what we're known for. We're very proud of our daytime. And we're still got some good nighttime stuff, but I think daytime is where we shine, literally. Oh, hold on. Honestly, one of my favorite things, like when I get to a hotel, even if I'm staying for like one night, I like unpack fully. I use every drawer, every rack, every hanger, even if it's a complete inconvenience to pack and unpack within like 12 hours. I don't know, you just make it like you're moving in for good. Oh, room service order, I would go just like a full Australian breakfast, avocado, halloumi, bacon, poached eggs on toast. I want as much option as possible. Spinach, mushrooms. If there's like a selection of sides, I'll pick all of them. Oh, what's next after breakfast? Well, I need to get ready for my album listening party. My album comes up tonight, so that's terrifying. I really need to prepare for all that, get changed, and then, we're doing the listening party actually in here with a bunch of fans. We're setting up like a whole vinyl setup to play the whole record in full on vinyl. But and then tomorrow I head to LA for one day, and then another city for another one day, so it's gonna be a lot going on.